Have you ever pondered the impact of politics on your everyday existence? It's intriguing, isn't it? The way politics can shape and define the world around us. I've spent a considerable amount of time contemplating this as someone who hails from the vibrant land of East Africa, Eritrea, to be exact. An artist by profession. I've observed how politics can color not just our lives, but also our perspectives. It's a universal truth that politics governs much of our world, serving as an essential mechanism for law and order. Yet, it's important to remember that it shouldn't be a force that divides us. We, after all, are all human beings. I take pride in my Tigrinya heritage, in being a speaker of this beautiful language, and in my roots that trace back to the Tigray ethnic group. Yes, the land of my ancestors is currently facing significant challenges, but it's during these times that a shift in mindset becomes paramount. To bring about change, one must first alter one's own perspective. The first step in this transformation, embracing love for every race in the world. Because regardless of our ethnicities, languages, or nationalities, we are all part of the human race. Peace. It's what we all deserve and need, now more than ever. It's in peace that we find opportunities for health, prosperity, and overall well-being. It's in peace that we can truly thrive. So, as someone who hails from East Africa, I urge not just my fellow East Africans, but everyone across the globe to rally for peace. The world is a canvas, and it's up to us to paint it with shades of unity and harmony. To sum up, politics, while crucial for governance, should not be a dividing force. We, as global citizens, should strive for unity and peace, promoting love for all races. Let's remember, in peace lies the chance for health and prosperity. So, let us all call for peace, for it's the need of the hour.